Hello friends, welcome to Study Pay Technologies, and in our today's session we are going to continue our lecture for elementary math, and in today's session we will discuss about integration. So in our last video we have covered about the differentiation, so if you are planning to go ahead with that, just review our previous lecture also. Now about integration, this integration is actually just the reverse process of the differentiation only. So here also I am writing a couple of formulas, and we will see how the integration happens for a particular set of functions. So let's start it. If we have integral dx, then that will be equal to x, right? Similarly, integral of a function that is c and u dx. Here c is constant, so c will be taken out of this integral and we will integrate u dx. Now next one, this time let's say we have to integrate sum of two different functions, and these functions are, let's say, u plus v dx. So this will be integral u dx plus integral v dx. Okay. Next one, it's about integral of x to the power n dx, and that will be x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, right? And we have to make sure that this n should never be equal to minus 1. Alright, now moving on to number 5, integral 1 upon x dx, and this will be equal to log x base e. Right. So along with that we also have constants as well, but in this video I'm just making it direct value so that you can learn it accordingly. Then we have sin x dx, and this will be equal to minus cos x. Fine. Then integral of cos x dx, this will be equal to sin x. Okay. Then we have integral of sec square x, and this will be equal to tan x. Fine. Then integral cosec square x dx, this will be equal to minus cot x. Okay, then 10th one, this is integral sec x into tan x. Right, and this will be equal to sec x. Okay, then next one will be cosec x cot x. And this will be equal to minus cosec x. Fine. After that, we have integral e to the power x dx, that will remain be e to the power x. Okay, and last we have integral a to the power x dx, and that will be equals to a to the power x upon log of a base e. Fine. So these are a few set of formulas related to the integration, and these are required by mathematics students as well as the physics students also. So I appeal all of you to just go through these formulas and memorize the same before joining the session. Have a nice time and take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.